SsangYong vehicles have long been renowned for their towing ability. With over 60 years of experience of making 4x4 vehicles and with its roots in rugged military vehicles, the current range has the best towing ability ever, with the Rexton and Musso able to tow up to 3,500 kilograms to match the best in their respective classes. Before you begin towing, it's essential that you check your vehicle can handle the trailer. Vehicle towing capacities are there for a very good reason and should not be exceeded. You want to check the gross trailer weight, which is the trailer plus the load, against the maximum towing capacity of your vehicle. You should also make sure that the engine of your vehicle is up to the challenge of carrying an extra load, in particular when it comes to tricky or hilly terrain. To guarantee the safety of yourself and other road users, you have to ensure that the load does not extend beyond the trailer. This is both dangerous and illegal. Right, now you're nearly ready. It's time to load up. Now, when loading your trailer, try and distribute the weight as evenly as possible. And just remember that overloading can have a serious effect on the stability of the trailer. Now, one good rule of thumb is to ensure that whatever load you're carrying, the heaviest part of it is towards the front end of the trailer, so that the rear axle of the towing vehicle can manage some of that load. So if you're towing a car and it's front engined, drive it forwards onto the trailer. If it's a rear engine car, reverse it onto the trailer. One final thing is to check that any loads you are carrying are seriously fastened. An unsecured load can slide around and result in a loss of stability, or even shoot forwards when you go down a hill or apply the brakes. Well, thanks for watching, and if you want to see more useful videos, just follow the links.